the car and he just pushed button. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh no, oh no, what have you done?
Yeah, lads.
Good morning lads, I'm sat in front of Princess Eva. She's actually looking quite clean because we went to a meet the other day and I don't know why I'm talking about that. Sat here wearing my full tracksuit, no man. No, this is my the car working sample. Yeah, okay, great. I was actually quite bored the other day. I was actually quite bored and I found it a funny idea to go on Wish and see if there was anything that was actually useful for the EVO, because I know that it would make a lot of people cry in the YouTube comments, and whether you put in Wish parts on or whether you put in £5,000 parts on, people are going to cry in the comments, so I may as well have some fun with it. So I had some fun with it, so I went on Wish and I tried to find as many things as possible which would be absolutely jokes to put on the EVO. And now if you're not actually clued up with Wish, Wish is basically an app which is, they're all Chinese products and there must be the things that they just want to get rid of. So everything on there is actually like £1, £2, or things are actually free. Like most of the things I got here were free. I just had to pay for the postage. Now, I did try for a very long time to try and find like big spoilers and stuff. Obviously things that would be reversible, but things that would actually just be absolutely hilarious. But I didn't really find anything that was that big. But I found a few things that are going to piss a lot of people off. Now, these two things, which were full free, trim removal tools, winner, they were free, and a pack of 100 fuses, they were free as well, mad stuff. And then I got these two, but these two are actually things I actually wanted to do, actually. And these are things, one of them is something that I'm probably just going to do for an Instagram picture, I'm not going to tell you. It's absolutely stupid and I could not make a full video of it, but it just be jokes. This one is actually something I've wanted to do for a while, especially now we've got some mad tyres. We've got some tyre paint, I think they were £1 from Wish. We've got two of them. I don't know how good they are. They are definitely from China, as they have Chinese writing on them and it says Ganamaka. So yeah, okay, that's probably not the best Chinese accent in the world, but that's what it says. The wheels, so we're going to do that today. We're going to actually paint the wheels. We're going to paint the Toyo and we're going to paint the R888R. Now I've never done this, I'm not sure how easy this is going to be, but we're just going to send it, lads. I don't know if I'm going to do the proxies. I'm going to do the Toyo and the R888R and then maybe see if it's out of balance, then do the proxies. We're going to do that, but I've got a ton of tyre shine on, so I need to clean that off first. Just got some Demon Clean, that should get the tyre shine off. I'm going to spray down the Toyo. Oh, I didn't mean to spray it then, but fuck it, we're sending it. And the R888, maybe the proxies as well. And then we're going to clean that off. And then we're going to start. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm absolutely terrible at painting, like I'm terrible at painting. Probably going to have to do the Toyo and then move it round. Do the Toyo, let it dry, and then obviously do the R888R now at the top, let them dry, and then turn the wheel around because I don't want paint going all over the tyre. I'm hoping that it's a really, really thin tip and not like a brush. Or maybe you got both, because the Toyo will be good with a brush, but I can't really see the R888R being good with a brush because the Toyo's really thick. Let's just go for it. Okay, let's have a look. Let's just do a little bit of a tester on something. Oh, wait, does that come off? How does this work? I think you might have to push down. Oh my god, this is awkward. Okay, shaking the paint before using. Pressing the nib for really. Acing jaces inside the pen. Pressing the nib for several times. Great instructions, lads. I don't know. Let's just send it on the tyre. Let's just go for it, see what happens. It's not coming out very thick, is it? Let's be honest. Okay, so this one is even worse. Like, this is even drier. It's hardly even coming off my bloody skin. Like, what the f are these? What a load of crap, man. I think we're not going to be doing that, lads. I did an O, and I'm just going to get it off, because that just looks absolutely stupid, man. Oh my god. I'm going to have to actually get something from England, and not something that's free from a Chinese website. Okay, there we go. I got it off. I got it off, guys. The wheel is back to normal. Right, so yeah, if you do want to paint your tyres, do not get the free ones from Wish. I don't even know why someone would need my help to do that. Yeah, do not get the free tyre paint from China. Oh my god, that was just terrible. We're gonna continue with the next thing I got from Wish. Hopefully it's better. Okay, I actually, as I said, I did this for just a piss take Instagram picture. We're gonna put him on now. And then we're gonna show Jesse when he gets here, because Jesse's cutting. And then for all you people who like mechanical things, we're gonna be checking the turbo in a minute, so stay tuned for that. But let me just bag these on. I don't know how they work. I've got basically just some of the LED oh my god, what are we doing, lads? What are we actually doing? I've got some of the LED flashing valve sealing caps made of high quality material, different colour for option. The light will be off when the vehicle stops. Oh, that's mad. On when it runs, and flash when you're driving at night. Bring more colour to your car, bring more enjoyment to your drive. Wow, inspirational stuff, lads. Now I don't know how they work. I don't know if you just have to press them on when you want to come out to the car, or what? How does this work? Do they even bloody flash? Hello? Please remove battery stopper before use. Okay, I'm guessing we unscrew this bad boy. Please unscrew battery stopper. Piece of paper. It's still not flashing, lads. Is this actually taking the piss out of me or what? Great, but there's no... Oh no! It just screws on straight to the valve like that. I don't think we actually need this plastic thing. Oh, that's an adapter! I think. Let's just screw him on. Let's just go. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm putting this on YouTube. Okay, let's just take the other ones off. Let's get this sophisticated battery stopper. Piece of paper. If it works, it works. Why am I laughing? I swear by that. Well, let's put them on. Let's get them on the car. Oh, for God's sake, what am I doing? Hey, look, they're actually not flashing. They're actually not flashing when the station. They're working, lads. They're actually working. Right, I need to grab some food because I don't really feel very well. All right, Jesse's here. We're gonna go and get a McDonald's. Gonna get a McDonald's before we carry on. Right, so I'm not actually we're not gonna drive the car until later. But man, we're gonna have to get some mad rolling shots later.
What?
Did you know I used to be mad at skateboarding?
Dylan! I saw you do a kickflip on one of your videos.
Oh, you bastard, you're teasing.
Dylan!
He's great, isn't he? Hello. Okay, so I actually found out something quite interesting when I was doing the turbo thing there, and it's really quite a long video, so it's going to be too long to put into the same video, but we're going to continue with this one. We're going to go to Blackpool, but the turbo video will be in the next video because it's got quite a lot of footage on there and it's really quite interesting, so I don't really want to cut down all that footage, so you'll see that in a separate video. But we're going to go to Blackpool, and he's got some pretty cool cars as well, so I'm going to take it for a spin. He's going to say no, but I'm going to say yes, we're going to go for a spin. And then we're going to come back and then see what them bloody wheel things look like later on in the night, which is probably going to be embarrassing, but fuck it, YOLO, innit?
That'd be sick.
I can see his, what's he call it? Is it a rolling garros? What's it called? There he is. Wait, he's got a merch on. Hey lad, you've been pestering me for so long to get a car on the channel. It's on the channel. Still not getting a fucking review though. Right, give us the keys, lad. I'm taking it for a spin. I think he's struggling. This is mad. Look at this copyright.
Engine's too big for the casing, bro.
Bloody hell, you must have some tiny feet with these. Oh, is that what a clutch? Is that what a clutch should feel like? The new whip. Look at this. It's got lecky. Oh, wrong one. It's got lecky windows and everything.
Yeah, you're rocking this.
Is it like the slick back hair that's making it time?
Yeah, it's nice.
Time respected.
Brought a 90s back.
Yeah, man, I'm feeling it. This is the little monster that we've been out in. It's actually quite nippy. Yeah, it's fun, man.
Quite fun.
Did we disappear from you then, lad?
Yeah.
So it has got a GTI engine in this, has it? It's cool, man. Look at these kids are saying
They've just come up and said that you're making a YouTube video and just said, can we be in it? Look. Can we be in it? Can we be in it? Oh, my camera's in 30 frames a second, that's not good. There we go, we're back. Look at him, can we be in it?
50,000 subs.
Sorry?
50,000 subs.
Yeah.
Well done to you.
Thank you, Janji. Jesse's having a go in them. Oh, it's funny, man. Look at it. when I pulled up, Jesse said, when he put his foot down, he thought there was a wasp in the car, and he just put his foot down. It actually sounds like a wasp. I can just see Jesse's head. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh my god. It sounds like a wasp. Fucking hell. Alright, so we're back. Let's have a look at these dust caps. You want to hold the camera?
Oh, they're lighting up?
Yeah.
No. No.
Oh no.
Oh no, what have you done? They're not even road legal, are they?
I don't know.
Well, they're red and blue lights, you tit.
They're so bright.
These ones are just fucked.
Right, let me go and do a pass.
Send it. Oh my god. Oh, what a shit show. Oh my god. They actually look really good in person. I don't know how that came across on camera, but they actually look quite cool in person.
What do they look like?
Okay, so your front left one isn't working,
Right.
but all other three are, and it looks insane going past. You're gonna have to get out and let me take up and down.
Really?
Yeah, it looks mad. It's like one whole circle of light, but all different colours at the same time. It's so weird, it's trippy.
See how he deals with the twin plate clutch. Oh. Wait. There you go, good lad. Gaff, get some rollers, lads. Right, we're going to try and get some mad rollers. So he's going to go and get his long tripod. I'm going to stick it out the window. Got it. Yeah. Go for it loud.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above.
Yes, this has been a stupid video, and yes, it was pointless doing all that stuff, but that's not what it's about, man. I had fun doing it. I thought the tyre paint would be a lot better. That was actually just a complete waste of time. But I thought, like, that's what I actually was arsed about doing the tyre paint, because the tyre paint looks sick, but I have to find a different place to get some there from. But I'm gonna get this video edited quickly because I've not uploaded in quite a while. I hope you enjoy it. It's a different one. It's a weird one. The car is actually going in for its wrap on Sunday, so a few days from now, to be fair. So I can't wait for that. But I'll see you in the next one, guys.